Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how I make DIY avocado dip conditioner. So here's my hair. It's pretty dry right now. Yep, it's pretty dry. I just unraveled my braids and I've been just stretching it out, finger detangling somewhat. And now we're gonna go ahead and get some conditioner just to revitalize it, put on some moisture back in the hair. Okay, so I'm gonna take you along with me in the preparation process. Okay, so give me a minute. I'm gonna gather all the ingredients that